After you've submitted an assignment and after it's been graded, you're going to want to go and look at the grading and to see how you did. And one really important thing to do when you look at your grades is to view the feedback that your instructor has left for you. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You'll want to go to grades right here. You'll want to scroll down to the assignment that's been graded. In this case, it's this assignment. And over here, you can see, you can click on comments and you can read the instructor's comments. And you can open the rubric and look at the rubric here. But you cannot view feedback here. The actual feedback within the document, you cannot see it here. So what you need to do is go click on the document or on the assignment. And here it opens up a new window. And here again, you can see the comments and you can make comments yourself to the instructor. And you can show the rubric. But the very important thing that you can do here also is view feedback. This is very important to look at because this is where the instructor actually makes annotations on your document that tell you things that you can do to improve so that next time you do this, you won't miss any points, or you'll be able to improve and not miss the same points that you may have missed on this assignment. So this will show your document and it will show the instructor's comments. And if you can't see it good enough, you could use this zoom button to zoom in or to zoom out. In this case, I still can't zoom out far enough to see all of the comments the instructor has. So what I can do is I can download an annotated PDF. And then if I open that PDF, I see the document. And if I mouse over the highlighted areas, it will tell me the comments that the instructor had. So, and then after you're here and you want to get back to where you were before, you'll need to go hit the back button, which is off my screen, to go back to the grades. So just another plug, whenever you look at your grades, please go in and view your feedback, because I almost always leave feedback within your document.